Okay, let's dive into product pricing. So from your product tab, come up here to the pricing. And for our purposes, we're going to look at an existing product that already has some pricing so you can get an idea of how this works. So the first thing you should do is click this and check this out. This is how the formulas work below. Just get an idea, a little review on your high school math, order of operations, that kind of thing. It also shows you how to structure a logic statement, which you'll need for things like if the style and rail is wider than 3.5, then do this. If it's less than 2.5, do that. That's logic. So read up on that, and then we're going to look at the several layers of pricing in the site. The first is this section under pricing, and obviously you can see we'll come back to this and we'll go through how this layer works with the other layers. So at the most basic level, you have this product and you have these sections. So all these sections do are add on each other. So we've just given you a way to say, let's do this and let's do that and let's do this and let's do that. Kind of like categories, like pricing categories. We want to figure out the frame material. We want to figure out the panel material. We want to add in the labor, so on and so forth. So you could just have one section and one price. So this would just put the price at $23. The minimum price at the bottom says that no matter what happens up here above, I don't want to go below $13. And of course, you can just sit here and add as many sections as you need to and put numbers and formulas in them. So what this would do right here is it would say 23 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That would be the price. And if this were greater than 13, then you'd take this price. If this ended up being less than 13, then it would take this price. Before we dive into formulas here, I want to show you the other layers of pricing. Okay, one of these is at the order level. So if I go to an order and I scroll all the way to the bottom, I can just give the whole order a discount percent. So I can say 10% and that discounts it to that. And what it does is it takes that 10% and it filters it all the way up through and it tells the customer, you got $2.82 off this product. Here's your new subtotal. This also works as a negative or surcharge. So you can tell the customer you got a surcharge because of some other thing. Also, if you have permission to do this, and all of these are permissions, you can simply just click on the price and change it. So that's a very manual way to affect the price per order for small tweaks here and there. We're not going to dive too much into this, but it is worth mentioning right now. We're going to go look at price adjustments. We'll do a whole nother section on this, but for now, I wanted to show you what this is. The price adjustment system sits on top of the regular pricing system. So let's say, for example, that we wanted to give a certain group of customers a 10% discount. We could create an adjustment for 10% discount, and we could say 10 discount and set this up to work, and this would just work on top of everything and it would be manageable from here. You could add people to this discount, take them away. It's a very high level and easy way to add large discounts or surcharges over your products and not have to go into your products and change the pricing. You can create as many of these as you need to. And again, we'll come back and do this later, but I just wanted to show you that this could affect pricing